animal sounds. In this song, we're going to pretend to be a lion, and we're going to roar, roar. And we're going to pretend to be a snake, and we're going to hiss, hiss. And we're going to pretend to be a bear, and we're going to growl, growl, growl. All right, and we're going to sing this too if you're happy and you know it. The lion likes to roar like this. Roar, roar. The lion likes to roar like this. Roar, roar. The lion likes to roar and he also likes to snarl. The lion likes to roar like this. Roar, roar. The snake likes to hiss like this. Hiss, hiss. The snake likes to hiss like this. Hiss, hiss. The snake likes to hiss and he also likes to rattle. The snake likes to hiss like this. Hiss, hiss. The bear likes to growl like this. Growl, growl. The bear likes to growl like this. Growl, growl. The bear likes to growl and he also likes to grumble. The bear likes to growl like this. Growl, growl.